Today we're playing Fuzzcape Mission, the version hub. Oh yeah. The OST is bad because I hate the OST. Are you ready? Because we're beating it in easy, simple level, and I am so excited for it. Blossom Fields. All right. I always beat this map sometimes, but today we're playing the FEM version hub, which was my favorite. The ties. Come on, you got this, Bab. You can make it. Jump. Okay, we're doing great. All we need to go get the button because we're doing good. 10 out of 10, we're doing fine. Come on, you got this, Bab. You got this, Bab. Ah, it opened. See? Because I do not become a noob at this game. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you got this, Bab. Rush through the button. Then you click it. Jump from here. And you reach. Yeah. This map is too easy for me to beat. Hope not Blueberry Forest at all anymore because I hate Blueberry Forest. What the? No, I don't want to beat this map. Because this map is too boring. What? Oh, sorry. But I'm talking. But, well, Planet Nebula. So we need another mission. Fine mission. Come on. You got this, Bob. But okay, we're doing great. We're getting more progress. Come on, you got this. Click the button, then travel from here. Jump from these crossroads. I like 2016, 2017 in my opinion. But not 2018, 2019, and 2020 because they're bad years. Come on. No, please don't. Can we make it? Can we make it? Because we are good at this game. Finally. Damn it, skipped it again. We did it. We made it. Now, time to move into a natural map. And it's gonna be my top 10 fave. Finally, Celestial Skylands. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and beat this map because always one of my favorite maps in the game. Because I can beat it so fine. Come on. Jump on those pieces of platforms, then go do a skip. What the? I died still. Come on. Come on. Ask again. Oh. Well. We're gonna die soon. Oh, come on. The lava's getting us, so we're gonna go jump all the way from here. But, okay. Oh no, I don't want to die here. I don't want to die here. I don't want to die here. Click the button. Thank goodness for the button. Then we go this way. We went that way, this way. And any times of capes, well. Come on. Oh no, the lava is raising. What the? No. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What the? No! I was so close! Though I made it still. Okay. Moving into a tough level. What the? Blossom Fields? But I want to move into tough. Well, I don't know. Because I'm so good at this. I can click buttons and press maps. I'm so okay. Now we gotta go this way. So this is what it used to be like in 2019. Because it has no. Come on, click it. It has another OST in 2018. It says. So, can we do it with pressing the buttons? In no time. Come on. You need to click the buttons. Okay, jump. We made it. We totally did it. Now, what is remaining? A normal map for me. Waterfield? Oh, well, we can beat it. Come on. No time to rush. No time to explain. We can still beat this map, you know? Come on. No time to explain and no time to rush. We're beating this map only. Jump. Come on. You got this. So that's what it used to feel like. I feel like. What? Jump. 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 Come on. We're almost close there. Phew, we're making it. Finally. Come on. Jump. See? This. Beat. Come on. What is remaining? A tough map called Desert Temple. We can beat this. Finally. Well. Now, what we're doing? Climbing, jumping, wall jumping. We have to go reach from here. Jump. Come on. You got this, man. Jump right from here. Jump here. Oh, we're almost getting closer. Dive. Come on. I got this. Jump. Making good progress. Still. What the? Nope.